morning. We are now in Tainan. So yeah, I'm going to go and wash my clothes and get some breakfast. Okay, that's our shop. Let's go in and wash some stuff. Well, I'm probably looking at this, but wow, this is so expensive, man. 180. This is probably the most expensive one yet. All the other shops that I went is maximum 100, 100 or 120. So yeah, oh well, let's put $200. Okay. Right, so many coins. Get full of coins. Let's go and put it in the machine. Okay. Now that that's done, let's go find some food. So yeah, this is our Gyoza and pulao ready. Let's eat. Okay, let's try it. Wow, looks good, man. This is the bottom. The top is crispy. Yeah, like that. It's good, man. Inside is all veg. The washing time of the washing machine is about 80 minutes. I put it in around 9:30, so 80 minutes it will be. When it's ready, it will be. I think 11 o'clock. So yeah, I think I just go back to the hotel and do some work before I go out and explore again. Yeah. I think in Tainan, right, there's a lot of aircraft flying around. I think they have been flying around since 7 a.m. and I'm still hearing the engine, the sound of the jet engine even now. So yeah. My bike is acting up already. The rear brake is sometimes will jam, like it cannot be released or something like that. I think it's because of the rust in the cable, and also the middle, the bearing area of the pedal. That one also have some issue. When you cycle, there will be tick 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 feeling when you cycle. So yeah, hopefully I'm not even halfway yet. Hopefully I can survive the entire journey. Yeah. Okay, we're back at the hotel.